everyone, I'm Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Lisa with me, and if you have followed me, you've seen her haircut before. She has been a really good friend and client for 25 years, so have a little special bond. It's really fun. One little story I have to hurry and tell you guys. She had a bob the one time, and I had gone to a hair show and come back, and it was short and spiky and fun, and I'm like, Lisa, can I please try this on you? And she's like, well, I don't know, what's it like? And I told her it was short and spiky and fun, and she's like, well, I guess hair grows back. And I'm like, yeah. So it's been short ever since. We've changed it out, you know, a few times with longer fronts and shorter, and anyway, so it's been fun. But I mean, that's what a good client she is. She's just been there forever. So one of the haircuts that I showed you on Lisa, we did have some fringe down here. Right now she's wearing it straight across here. And then we'll just clean this up with the little clippers. But yeah, it's kind of fun because, you know, during the years, Lisa's like, well, I don't know. You know, maybe I'll grow it out. And Lisa's hair grows fast, and she has a ton of it. So it's kind of funny. She'll do it for a little bit, and no, I can't. Huh, Lisa?
True.
True. She's like, no, short is just too easy. So
I don't
anyway.
think I own a comb.
Yeah, exactly. She's like, I don't own a comb. I don't need one of those. Okay, so I'm gonna start up here. Now you can see when I hold this up, she has a ton of hair, and it's straight. It's a really, really good cut for, you know, thick, straight hair. Obviously, if you have thinner hair, you can wear it like this also, but this, and you'll see when I go to blow dry her, she literally, like, we just blow dry it. There's no flat iron, there's nothing. It's really awesome. Okay, and then I'm coming close to her head. She likes the back tight, so, you know, you obviously don't have to deal with that. And then point cut into this. The key to Lisa's haircut is lots of texture. And then at the end, you'll see the styling stuff that really helps piece it out. But texture definitely is a game changer for sure. Okay, so you can see I'm just pulling this straight out from the head until this middle part where we want this to go tight. And then, you know, I just keep my fingers tight to the head. Yeah, so Lisa, she is a drill team advisor for what, how many years?
Since 89.
Yeah, oh my goodness, that is insane.
I can't figure it. I don't do public math.
Yeah, that's true. So yeah, she's awesome. She has a dance studio. She taught my girls in dance when they were young. It was so much fun. The town loves Lisa, so.
And you.
Oh, thanks. That's so nice. So nice. Okay, so when I come to the ear, I'm going to finish that over there, but we're just doing this top and the back. Okay, now, of course, come in. Yeah, it's kind of funny. She come back, she's like, well, the left side really needs some texture. It's a little thick. So anyway, we will definitely get her textured. And it's kind of fun because short hair, you know, if people see somebody with short hair and you tell them, oh, I'm going to get my hair cut. They're like, what are you doing? Your hair's short. But it really is the texture a ton of the times. Definitely need texture with short hair. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna just bring that down. Now her top, same thing. I'm going to really just point cut into this. If we can do different lengths, that's best with this cut. She likes her bangs to come across. I'll show you in just a second. Okay, now this side at the top. Okay. Now for the side, she likes to keep her sides just over her ear, just a little bit. So I'm just going to point cut into this, but not take a ton of length. Just barely take that off. So you can see I held that out and I'm just taking the little edges off just because she likes that length. Now from the back, right there, same thing. I'm not gonna do a lot of length, just trim that up. And same thing there. Okay. Just coming in, trimming that up, the front. And now this side, so we're gonna hold this out. And barely just kind of point cut into that. And that way you can see, you know, that obviously goes up into the top. Okay, so you can come this way. Barely point cut. So you can see it connects there, okay? So this side again, we bring this back. Just hold it like this with your hands. Take a little bit there. And this way. Doing good, Lisa? Mm-hmm. You bet. Relaxing, right?
It is.
Okay, now the bang area. I'm gonna take a little chunk here, and the way you do that is open and shut your shears very in fast moving little soft motion. Just because we like the texture. Just so it gives that movement, especially if you have a lot of hair. You definitely want texture. If not, it's going to hang. And then what we do with Lisa is when we're done, I just double check when we're piecing it out to see if she has enough texture in the front. So we'll do that when we dry. Now I'm doing the texture and I'm coming in. You can see I'm about a ½ inch up, and I do like 2. Each time I go in, I go chop, chop, here this way. And I just love how I use the word chop. I bet people are like, chop? Okay, so I put the root lifter in, 1 squirt of mousse, and now we're just gonna dry. And then once we piece this out, you know, that's when we can see if it needs more texture or I need to cut into it more. Okay. So I'm gonna just turn her into the mirror so I can check this out. Okay, Lisa, what are you thinking? Do you feel like,
Feels good.
is that good with your bangs?
Mm-hmm.
So, just gonna see here. You can see how there's different lengths in there. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit off right there, so it's not right in her eyes. Okay, now I'm just gonna back comb this a tiny bit up through here, which it pretty much just stays, but you know, might as well give it a little bit of okay, and I'm just gonna spray that. And I love this aerosol because it's not heavy, so it's not gonna weigh down the hair. Okay, now I'm just gonna look at her one more time. Cute, Lise. Does that feel better?
Feels much better.
Good.
It's getting heavy.
Good, good. Okay, I'm just making sure I'm piecing that out. Okay, and now we'll do the shine spray, and then we will be done. Okay, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Hopefully that helps seeing the texture in there and seeing how to get more body and movement. Thank you, Lisa, for letting us record your haircut, and I appreciate you guys and all of your support. Go ahead and jump on my email list. I would love it, and you guys have a good day. See ya.